Hey everybody, it's Neil and living in a house with women. This is going to be a pretty useful item here. This is a metal hair drain clog remover. So it kind of goes here, it shows you all the different types of drains you can use it with. Well, let's take a look at how it is here. It's kind of it comes with 5 of them, so I'll show you one of them. So the way it works is you have a little loop here, and it's metal, so it can it'll stay. Once you start pushing it down, it'll kind of keep its way. But then if you look at this, it's got a bunch of little metal barb pieces, and so once you get it down into the drain, it'll grab on like Velcro. Won't grab onto my hair. My hair's too little, but you can like curly, hair or hair in the drain clumps would pick up great. So you just kind of stick it down in the drain and squish it around, whatever, turn it around, and pull it out with the loop. So it's pretty cool. So it's a nice little setup here to get the clogs out of the drain. And I've used similar ones before, but this one was kind of nice. It comes with a 5-pack of them, and it's by Drainsoon. That's a good name for it because we need to drain soon. Don't have any clogs right now to show you, but this is for precaution's sake. So we have it, so we're good to go. And here it kind of just explains a little bit of it. So very cool. So I'm going to say this is awesome. Thumbs up from me. I'm going to put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick some up for yourselves. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.